Hi guys, and welcome to solving some more complex formulas for a given variable. So we looked at an example where you really just kind of had one thing going on, and so now we're going to look at an example where we're going to have to do more than one thing to end up solving our formula, okay? So we're going to look at the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. So that formula is that the perimeter equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. All right, and they say that we're going to solve it for W. So the first thing that we do is it's a great idea to just come over and circle what it is you're trying to get by itself. So what you're trying to get by itself here is this W, and you know that everything else on that side has to go away. You have to get rid of it somehow. And remember, one of the ways that we can really kind of keep track of what's on what side is by drawing a line down the middle there, and that might help us out just kind of keeping track of everything that we have. All right, so when we look at this side, we look for what is on the same side as this W. So we have this 2 that's times the W, all right, and then we also have this 2L here, and that whole term is added. So remember that when you are solving equations, you're using reverse order of operations. That means that you're going to do the opposite of regular order of operations, which means you're going to start with addition. So we can't do anything with the 2 that's right by the W right now. We have to move this 2 times L. Remember, L is just a number, so this is just 2 times some number. So if you wanted to say that, say, L was 4, just made that up, didn't come from anywhere, just made up that L is 4. This would be like 8. Okay, so it's not its own separate thing. This 2 and this L are put together. It's just like one number. We just don't know exactly what number that is. All right, so let's go ahead and get this 2L over to the other side. So just like we would do if it were a number, since it's added to the 2W, we're just going to subtract 2L from both sides. So we're going to subtract 2L from here, and we're going to subtract 2L from this P right here. All right, so this part's easy. We can come over here and cancel those out. All right, those are definitely going to go away. And then on this side, what we're going to have left is just that 2W. So let's go ahead and bring that down. We just have that 2W left. All right, and then on this side, we have P minus 2L. You can't combine those. They're not like terms. This one is a P, this one has an L in it, so you can't combine them because they're not like terms, so you simply just write it over. So on this side, we're just going to write P minus 2L. All right, don't try to make this more complicated than it is. Just look at exactly what's going on. And so you have here P minus 2L equals 2W. So you look and say, is our W by itself yet? No, the W still has this other 2 with it. So this is 2 times W, and the way that we get rid of multiplication is division. So we're just going to divide both sides by 2. And then on this side, just like what we've been doing before, the 2's are going to cancel, and we're going to be left just with W over here on this side. All right, and then over here on this side, again, we're just going to literally write exactly what is right there. So we're going to write P minus 2L divided by 2. Now, you might see these two 2's here, you got one on top and one on the bottom, and be like, oh, let's cancel those. But we can't cancel them, because when you have addition or subtraction in the numerator, in the top part of the fraction, then you can only cancel with something on the bottom of the fraction if you can cancel both terms. So since this P doesn't also have a 2 with it, we can't just cancel those 2's. So our final answer is just P minus 2L over 2 equals W. We don't have to combine it, we don't have to simplify it any more than that. This is as simple as it gets. And your final answer is just P minus 2L over 2 equals W.